Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube video with Chat GPT. For those who don't know, Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, and this chatbot is capable of doing a lot. I mean, up to developing a software from scratch. So today we are going to utilize this great power to create a YouTube video. First, we need a script. This is one of the most important part of a YouTube video, and Chat GPT is going to help us get that. So let's dive right in. So let's say I want a script for a video on digital privacy. Let's say write a script for a video on digital privacy. And here we go. Now you can see how good this is. You can see opening shot of a person typing on a laptop with the word digital privacy appearing. You can see the narrator section, which says, in today's digital age, protecting our personal information is more important than ever. With so much of our lives online, it's crucial that we take steps to safeguard our privacy. And then you can see cut to a shot of someone browsing the internet on their phone. And you can see the next narrator, the next narration, and then you can see another shot over here. And this is actually very accurate. Now, this is a full script for a video which I can actually use and upload this on my channel. I mean, I'm actually going to make a video with this script from Chat GPT. Now you can see closing credit and every other information over here. Now this script is actually well documented. Now the only issue is that it may be short, and in that case you can just say make it longer and it will actually add more stuff to this script, and it actually makes sense. So let's say make it longer, and here we go. So it's going to start from the beginning, but this time it will be longer than the initial script we got for our video. And it is actually in the same way. You can see opening shot of a person on a laptop and all that. This is really amazing. Now you could ask question on any of the things here and it will answer accordingly, because it keeps track of everything here. So you can ask questions about something here. You can ask question about anything here you don't understand. Now you shouldn't make use of it exactly as it is. You may want to modify it and then remove some things, add more things to it. But this is really useful. If you're a YouTuber and then you need more ideas on the topic, you can use Chat GPT to do that, and it is really useful. Now you can see the first one and the second one. You can see the difference. So after everything, we're just going to copy the script and then use it to create a new YouTube video. So here we go. You can see the second script when we said make it longer, and you can see how long this is. So I'm just going to copy everything, and this is the script we are going to be using for our video. Now you can make changes to this if you want, or if there is anything you don't really like here. Now take note, everything will not be 100% accurate since it collects data from the internet. So not everything here would be correct, but 90%, over 90% of information here is actually correct. So I'm just going to save the script in a notepad and then save it. Now we have our script ready, all thanks to Chat GPT. We can begin with creating the video. So the video editor we are going to use for this video is called vid.io. So let's head to vid.io, and you can see over here create your first video. So I'm just going to click on create your first video, sign up, and then we are good to go. Okay, so we can either use a template or just use a blank project. So I think we can actually use a template, and that should be fine. So let's go with a template tech. Okay, I think we can go with this. So what we want is text to speech. So click on audio. Now let's go to text to speech. And then we can paste our text here and then select the voice. So let me just bring back the text. Okay, so here we go. This is the first. Okay, copy, paste that there, and you can see the total characters. Now let's click on add to project, and you can see the text has been converted to audio. So let's play it. Now you can change the voice, you can adjust the speed, you can increase the volume or reduce the volume. So in this case, I'm going to remove everything here since that is not what I want. So I'm just going to clear off everything. Clear off. We are even supposed to start with a blank template since none of these, we don't need any of this. So let's just click on media and then look for stock footage. Now we can also add subtitle to this video. So let's click on subtitle and then click on auto subtitle, which will automatically add subtitle to this video. Now click on create subtitles and here we go. So let's play the video again. Now you can actually customize this based on what you want. You can change the design, you can change the look, do whatever you want. You can just play around this and get the best look you want. Now I'm just going to play around this may take some time, but I'm just going to speed you through the process. So guys, we are finally done with editing the video. Now this took some time, but we are done. Now I'm going to upload this video separately and you can check it out. The link will be in the pinned comment and the description of this video as well. So after doing the editing, we can click on export and then set the quality over here to standard. We are using the free plan. We are not actually paying for anything. Let's go to advanced, increase the frame rate limit to 60. Now this means it will be of higher quality, but the size will actually be heavy. So 720p, okay, standard, higher quality. You can see over here. Now click on export video and then wait for your video to export. This may take some time, but it shouldn't be up to 10 minutes and we should be good to go. And we are done. So guys, we were able to create this video with the help of Chat GPT and v.io. Now leave the link to every tool I used in this video description in case you want to check it out yourself. Now to download this video, click on the download by the side here and then you can see MP4. Click on MP4 and it should download MP4 format of this video. You can see the size 159 megabytes. So let's start the download. Now we also have to watch it to see how it looks like.
In today's digital age, protecting our personal information is more important than ever. With so much of our lives online, it's crucial that we take steps to safeguard our privacy.
When we use our devices to browse the internet, we leave a trail of data behind us.
Social media platforms can collect a wealth of information about you.
To watch the full video, click here or check the pinned comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see more contents like this. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.